Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to convert Google Play balance into a redeem code. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, in order to do this, the first thing that you want to do is open up the Play Store. Then, you want to press on your profile icon, which is located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you're going to see different options, but the option that you want to press on is Payments and Subscriptions. Next, you want to press on the last option in this list, which is Redeem Code. Here, you can enter the redeem code in this field to receive rewards. However, you should know that there's no direct way to convert Google Play balance into a redeem code. Instead, you can go back to the home screen of the Play Store, then press on the search icon. Next, go to the search box at the top of the screen, type in Google Wallet, and press Enter. After that, look for the Google Wallet app. You can see that it is available for me. Then all you're going to have to do is download it and install it on your mobile device. And that should be it. So that's basically how you can convert Google Play balance into a redeem code. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.